Hello everyone, welcome to SkyTech Academy, a structural software training institute where you learn lots of practical engineering concepts. Today we are starting our basic load concept series. In that there are three videos. First one is on load transfer mechanism, second is on various types of load acting on a structure, third one will be on load input unit. Please make sure that you watch all the three videos to get your basic load concepts clear. Links for other two videos you will find in the description box. So let's get started with our first session, that is load transfer mechanism. Here you can see a table which is called as structural element. From that, slab, beam and column are called as superstructural element and footing is called as substructural element. Therefore, all the load from the superstructure gets transferred to the substructure, but in that series, the load gets traveled from one element to another in a sequence, which is all the load which are acting on the slab gets transferred to the beam because slab is resting on beams on its periphery, and from the beam, the load gets transferred to the columns because beam is resting on column. Therefore, the reaction from the beam gets transferred to column. From column, the load gets transferred to footing, that is your foundation, and then finally from foundation to the soil. Therefore, there are two terms which exist. First is soil subgrade modulus and second is soil bearing capacity. The ultimate load carrying capacity of the soil decided on the basis of soil bearing capacity. This is very simple, very basic load concept, but we all should know this. Now, I will show you in the photograph that how the load transfers from slab to beam, beam to column and column to foundation. Here you can see load transfer mechanism, and here is the plan view of a simple structure which consists of two slabs. One is two-way slab and one is one-way slab. From two-way slab, the load gets transferred in the trapezoidal and triangular manner to the adjacent beams, and in one-way slab, the load transfers to two opposite beams because in one-way slab, the spanning direction is only one way. That's why it is called as one-way slab, and in two-way slab, the spanning direction is in two directions. Therefore, it is called as two-way slab. And then finally, the reaction from the beam gets transferred to the column and then column to foundation. Here you can see the elevation view of G+1 structure, which is slab, beam, column, and in this figure you are seeing a datum line called as ground level. All the structural elements which are above the ground level are called as superstructure, and below the ground level is called as substructure. That is, some part of column and footing is called as foundation, and single footing is called as footing. Okay, so that's all from our side in this first session, that is load transfer mechanism. In the next session we will understand various types of load acting on structure, and third session we will be understanding the load input units. A small request from our side, if you like our video then please like, share with your friend, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.